Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing prawn with pointed gourd. So this is Potol and this is Chingri. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken near about 300 grams of prawns. I have nicely cleaned, washed, and as you can see I have removed the head also. Here I have taken near about 250 grams of pointed gourd and I have sliced them like this in thin slices. One bay leaf, one big tomato cut into small pieces, two medium-sized onions sliced, little bit of fresh coriander leaves. Here I have taken two green chilies and I have cut them diagonally like this. Here I have taken half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'll be using turmeric powder. This I'll be using near about half a teaspoon because I'll use little to marinate the prawns and then I'll use in the curry. Salt as per our taste. Again, I'm going to use this salt to marinate the prawns as well as in the curry. And here I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. This also I'm going to use near about half a teaspoon. I'll be using little bit in the marination of the prawn and then again I'll be using this in the curry. And I'll be preparing my recipe in mustard oil. So let's get started. The first step, let us marinate the prawn. So just put little bit of turmeric powder, little bit of salt, just a little bit, and little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. I'll add a little bit more salt. And now mix this. And now I will move and heat oil in a kadhai. So here I am heating 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and now I will add these prawns to the mustard oil. Reduce the flame while adding as I have done so. And then now increase the flame and you have to fry these prawns for 3 to 4 minutes in this oil. This much is enough, friends. Now we will remove this from the oil and in the same oil only I'll prepare the recipe. So here I have taken out the fried prawns. Do not over fry it as it will become very chewy. So now this is the same oil where I have fried the prawns. If you want you can reduce the quantity, but I'll be using the same quantity because I am going to make the gravy in this oil and also I'm going to cook the bottle gourd. So first I will add the bay leaf in this oil. Then I'm going to add the sliced onions. I will fry the sliced onions till it becomes slightly translucent or it changes its color to pink. So I will fry this. As you can see now the onion is slightly cooked. At this stage, friends, we are going to add the ginger garlic paste. We fry the ginger garlic paste for some time so that the rawness of the spice goes away. After frying the ginger and garlic, I am going to add the dry spices, that is the coriander powder, cumin powder and the garam masala powder. Then I am going to add a little bit of turmeric powder, little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder, little bit of salt, saute all the dry spices. Now put the flame into medium so that the dry spices doesn't get burnt. Add the tomatoes so that the juice from the tomato will come out and it will get mixed with the spices, and then a lovely flavor of this tomato will come. So now I will saute and cook this till our tomatoes becomes little soft. Now friends, as you can see, our tomatoes are cooked. I have added a tablespoon of water so that the spices don't get burnt. So you can also add, if you feel your spices are getting burnt, 1 or 2 tablespoons of water you can add. And as you can see, the spices are cooked properly. It started leaving oil. I will add the green chilies, and also I will add the pointed gourd, that is the potol. Reduce the flame to medium so that the spices don't get burnt. And now I will saute this with the spices. You can put the flame into medium high and will saute and cook the potol in the spices for near about 6 to 7 minutes. Now friends, after cooking it for near about 7 minutes, you can see the pointed gourd is cooked completely. So we'll add little water, maybe half cup of water. And then now we are going to cover this and let it simmer for a minute. After 1 minute, friends, as you can see, it is simmering. I am going to add the fried prawns. Add the fried prawns. Just mix it. Lovely aroma is coming out. Then we will add the fresh coriander leaves. And then cover this, and over medium flame again we will cook for a minute. Now friends, our Pointed gourd and prawn curry is ready now. We will put off the flame and we will transfer it to the serving bowl. So friends, here is our very delicious and very simple bottle gourd and prawn curry ready. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with plain boiled rice or rotis. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.